Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an engine air filter for a BMW X3. First, gather your tools like a screwdriver and a new air filter. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work to avoid burns. You'll find the air filter housing located under the hood, usually a large black box. This simple maintenance can improve your vehicle's performance. Now, let's get that old filter out. Carefully disconnect any sensors or hoses that might be attached to the air filter housing. Next, unclip or unscrew the housing cover. There are usually a few clips or screws holding it in place. Once open, gently remove the old filter, paying attention to its orientation so you can install the new one correctly. With the old filter out, it's time for the new one. Carefully insert the new air filter into the housing, making sure it matches the orientation of the one you just removed. Ensure the filter seats properly and snugly within the housing to prevent any air leaks. Then, reattach the housing cover, securing all clips or screws firmly to complete this step. You're almost done. Reconnect any sensors or hoses you detached earlier, ensuring everything is secure. Give all connections a quick double check. Finally, start your engine to confirm everything is operating smoothly. Replacing your air filter regularly is a great way to maintain your vehicle. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.